Welcome back, everybody. Today I've got the LS out and outside with the pressure washer, and I'm going to clean her up. Been a little bit back and forth on what to do with this engine before installing it in the boat. I'm a ways away from getting it in the boat. I feel like at the bare minimum I should go through and change all the gaskets. So that's most likely what's going to happen. Right now I just want to clean her up. It's a nice day. I want to get outside, clean her up, and get her ready for some paint. So here we go, pressure washer, and super clean from Walmart. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the spark plugs. I'm going to spray WD-40 inside all the cylinders, wire up the starter to crank, and I'm going to spin the crank, and if there's any water that got inside, then I'll be able to spin it.